Good.
Somehow.
Oh, mother.
Oh, Cody.
Your ankle? Then
Cody
don't
has
fucking
nice
run,
legs.
Cody. Cody, don't run.
Don't worry, I'm telling you, I'm making a baked potato.
Okay.
My fucking ankle.
There might not be.
Well, how
we,
long is that gonna be, girlfriend?
we might have an understudy. Don't hurt yourself.
What is he doing to himself?
He's hurting himself.
Hold on, can we do some calisthenics real quick?
What is that?
I'll
Like-
show you.
It's a army workout.
Foot calisthenics.
Here we go, boys.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna let my shorts ride extra though.
Okay.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I
yeah.
gotta take off my shirt.
And then I'm gonna do like Cristiano Ronaldo does when he's training.
Oh yeah, we're red shorts crew again.
Cody does wear his being super high. Look. Oh. That was awesome. That was
That was
cute because I
hot.
literally just stopped and was just like, I was starstruck.
Whoa!
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, give you guys one of these ones.
No! Ian! Ah! Ah!
I make sure not to hurt.
Ah!
Nicole, we going. Nicole.
I got most of them now.
What?
I don't think Cody has an ounce of fat on his body.
Alright, fast.
Oh, I get nervous when they do this because they're on slop.
Wow. I wish they didn't have to like stop. I wish it was like a track.
Good job, boys.
Good job, gentlemen.
Just strip down and get in the pool. I thought that was quiet. It's gonna be embarrassed now.